One way to improve your Jamaican speech or comprehension is by mastering our use of the I sound in conversation. At full speed, it means one of two things: either de, but the D is eliminated, or it, but the T is eliminated. And context will dictate. For example, being used as de, what does the man want in English would be what the man want in Jamaican at normal speed, and why man want at full speed. An example with it being used as it would be, what is he doing with it in English would be, why am I doing it in Jamaican at normal speed, and why am I doing it at full speed. And combined, what is the man doing with it in English would be, what the man I do with it in Jamaican at normal speed, and why man I do with it at full speed. Again, context will dictate which is which, but your Jamaican will significantly improve if you can master the I sound. Don't forget to check out my YouTube channel for full lessons from scratch, and like, share, and follow for more.